Hi, in the previous video, I have covered the formulae to find the sum of n terms of a geometric sequence. In this video, we will be doing some questions based on this formula. So let us just quickly recap the formulae. So sum of n terms of a geometric progression is given by a1 into r to the power n minus sum of n terms of a geometric progression is given by a1 times r to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1 when r is greater than 1, r is the common ratio, and it is a1 times 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r when r is less than 1, and it is equal to n times the first term, which is a1, when r is equal to 1. If there are any doubts regarding the derivation of these formulas, you can check my previous video. Now let us see some questions based on this. So example 1, how many terms of GP 3 by 2, 3 by 4 and so on are needed to give the sum 3069 over 512? Let us solve the question step by step and write down what all is given to us. So S of n, sum of n terms, is given as 3069 over 512. We don't know what this n is, we have to find out n. Okay, and a1 is given as 3. R is obtained by dividing the second term by the first term. So it becomes 3 by 2 times 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 2. Since r is less than 1, the formula for Sn used will be a1 times 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r. Now let us try to solve it. So let us put in the values. Sn is 3069 over 512 is equal to a1 is 3, 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power of n whole over 1 minus 1 by 2. This gives 3069 over 512 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 in the denominator gives you 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 whole to the power n is 1 upon 2 to the power n. This gives 3 times the 1 by 2 in the denominator reciprocates and multiplies as 2 by 1, and 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power n is equal to 3069 over 512. So we get 3069 over 512 is equal to 3 times 2 becomes 6 times 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power of n. Let's take 6 to the other side. Is equal to 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power n. 2 3s are, or rather 3 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are. So we get 1023 over 512 times 2 is 1024 is equal to 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power n. So we bring 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power n this side and 1023 over 1024 this side. So we get 1 over 2 to the power n is equal to 1 minus 1023 over 1024, which gives you 1024 minus 1023 whole over 1024. So 1 over 2 to the power n is equal to 1 upon 1024. And 1 upon 1024 is nothing but 2 to the power of 10. So 1 upon 2 to the power n is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 10. So we say that n is equal to 10. So the number of terms which needs to be added to give a sum of 3069 over 512 is 10. I hope the steps to solve the question is clear to everyone. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.